The first thing we need to talk about here is B1, that is the slope of our line. Now, slope tells us rise over run, right? And so what it's actually telling us when we look at B1 is for every step we take over, how far do we step up? This means if we have a slope of, let's say, 3, for every one step over, we move 3 up. That is, for every one increase in x, we see an increase of 3 for y. This is important because we can use it to make assumptions about our variable. Let's say, for instance, that we were using the number of repetitions a woman could do with an 80-pound barbell in a bench press to predict her max bench press. If the slope of this line was 1.2, that would mean that for every one additional rep she could do with an 80-pound bar, her max bench press would increase by about 1.2 pounds. Now notice this doesn't mean it increases by that exactly. Might be a little bit above, might be a little bit below. And if we have like maybe a little bit above, maybe a little bit below, you can better bet that we're going to be doing confidence intervals with this slope. So once again, B1 is our slope measure. It tells us for every one we increase in whatever the x variable is, this is increase if it's positive or decrease if it's negative in my y variable.